How to fix Google Earth not working. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix the problem where it shows an entire black screen when you try to use Google Earth. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is check if your app is up to date. For that, head over to Play Store and simply search for Google Earth or just Earth, and it will show up right here on top. And if you have an update available, it will show you this update button. So make sure to just tap on it to update the app to its latest version. And once that is done, you can go back, head over to Google Earth and simply tap on the app info. And here, what you're going to do is simply tap on permissions and make sure that all of these required permissions are allowed because the app needs them to run smoothly. So once that is done, you can go back to your settings menu and head over to storage. Now, all you need to do here is try to clear cache because if there are some junk files you run into, you can just clear them out. That could be causing the problem. So you can also try to delete data. It will delete everything, including your login details as well. And once you do that, you just have to make sure to restart your device once and your problem should be fixed. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.